Welcome back to the vlog, guys. This is GNS Designs. Today we're going to be working on a 2019 Honda Accord. The car is going to be coming back in 3 different steps. So the first step today we're going to be doing is we're going to be working on the mirrors and the roof, carbon fiber. Next, if I have enough materials, I don't think I do, but we're going to be doing the hood and we're going to get rid of this chrome. So chrome delete package as well. So we're going to do it in 3 steps. So stay tuned. Here's what it looks like at the beginning of the video, and we'll obviously at the end show you what it looks like. Doing a chrome delete package on it. We are also going to be doing some details of the hood here, where I'm going to do a little design, follow the body line coming down to here with carbon fiber. But and I'm going to probably redo one of the mirrors because I really particularly don't like it, but that's all on me obviously. So but here it is.